If you're looking for the best email solution for your business or your personal leads, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Today we're diving into the 3 best email service providers that you can put your hands on. We're having a look at Google Workspace, we're going to have a look at Outlook, which is part of the Microsoft 365 family, and we're also going to have a look at Neo. Let's compare them and see what they have to offer. First up, let's dive into Microsoft Outlook. So Microsoft Outlook, of course, is developed by Microsoft, and it's a well-known email service, probably one of the first email services ever made, ever provided, and it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft applications. It's got tons of applications that you can integrate it with. Some of the features that you can have a look at with Outlook is focused inbox. It has the integration with the Microsoft 365 apps, as I mentioned earlier on. It also has a calendar integration, and it's got super robust security features. So if security is something that is important to you, of course it is, then Outlook really has that handled. It also has categories and flags, so you can really organize your email accounts into different categories and you can manage it a whole lot better. There's task management, and then you also get offline access, which is slightly limited, but it does still give you some basic things. Outlook is ideally made for businesses and professionals who rely on Microsoft Office applications. And if they're looking for robust email solutions with strong organization tools and some fantastic security features, Outlook is probably the best option. Having a look at number 2 now is the Google Workspace. Having a look, it's formerly known as the G Suite. Google Workspace is also a comprehensive suite of productivity tools that include Gmail, Docs, Drive, and a heck of a lot more. There are some very fantastic features that you can look forward to as well. There's a powerful search functionality, so you can really go dig deep and look for emails within the platform. It's got Smart Compose, which is an AI-powered suggestion that can help you write emails faster and more effectively. That is really nice. It's got fantastic collaboration tools. It integrates with third-party apps. It's got a large storage capacity, and it also integrates video conferencing with Google Meet, and you have mobile accessibility, which is great if you're on the go. Google Workspace really is perfect for teams as well as individuals who prioritize collaboration, looking for flexibility, and a suite of integrated tools for overall general productivity. Now, jumping into number 3, having a look at Neo. It's a new player in the email market, so we got to give that to them, but it does focus on providing a fresh approach to email management. So if you are looking for something new, it does have a unified inbox as well. It also has that AI-powered organization. You have customizable themes, which is great if you like to customize the look and the feel of your inbox and your platform. And then it also has integrated task lists, which is a built-in task management, which allows you to create and track tasks directly from your inbox. I think that's awesome. And then it is also privacy focused, which against security is probably one of the most important things. And then you do also get offline support. You can access your emails without an internet connection. This is similar to Outlook, of course. And then it does also have fantastic collaborative features. So if you are working in a team, it is fantastic for that. Now, the ideal customer profile for Neo is individuals or even small teams that are looking for a modern email experience that emphasizes organization, privacy, collaboration. And if you are wanting to juggle multiple email accounts, you can do this all quite effectively in one workspace. So let us know which email service provider you use or which one you would like to move over to, and we'll catch you in another awesome video. Peace.